Hi everyone. Today we will talk about filling out the IRS Form W-4 Employees Withholding Certificate for 2024. This form is a crucial part of your employment paperwork as it guides your employer in determining the correct amount of federal tax income to withhold from your paycheck. The W-4 form is a document you provide to your employer when starting a new job or when your tax situation changes. It's vital to calculate your tax withholding correctly to avoid owing a large sum to the IRS at the end of the fiscal year. You can get this form on the Instafill website just by typing W4 instafill.ai and get the latest version of this form. I will also share you the link to the form in comments. To form accurately, you will need to have the following information on hand: your personal information, full name, address, and social security number, your filing status. You'll need to know your tax filing status: single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. Multiple jobs information. If you have more than one job, or if you're married filing jointly and your spouse also works, you will need information about the income from all jobs. Dependents information. If you have dependents, you will need to know how many qualify for the child tax credit or credit for other dependents. Other income sources. This is information about any non-job income not subject to withholding, such as interests, dividends, or retirement income. Deductions. If you plan to claim deductions other than the standard deduction, you will need estimates of your deductible expenses, such as mortgage interest, charitable contributions, state and local taxes, or student loan interest. And the last one is tax credit. This is the information about any tax credits you expect to claim, such as education credits for the child tax credit. While you don't need to provide documentation to your employer when submitting the W-4, it's important to have accurate information to ensure the correct amount of tax is withheld from your paycheck. If you're unsure about any of these details, you may want to consult your previous year's tax return. Instafill supports this form, and you can automate the manual processing of entering the information using Instafill. All you need is to provide the information that help the EI fill the form for you. Let's see how it works. We are required to create an account, and then we'll need to provide the information that help the EI fill out the PDF form. It could be anything, a PDF document or a text file. You can also copy and paste text directly into a free text form here. I have my information prepared. And now Instafill will fill out this PDF, ensuring that every field is accurate and free of errors. It will correctly place the information into the appropriate fields, which not only saves time, but ensures your form is filled out correctly. Let's review the form. As we can see, all the information is placed correctly. And 100% error-free. So now let's dive into how to fill out the IRS W-4 form for 2024. Form has several sections, and I will walk you through each one using an example to illustrate the process. So, the step 1, your personal information. This section is quite straightforward. You will need to fill in your name, address, social security number, and filing status. The filing status options include single or married filing separately, married filing jointly or qualifying surviving spouse, and head of household. Choose the one that reflects your situation accurately. Now, the steps 2 to 4 are only necessary if they apply to you. If not, you can just skip to step 5, but it's important to understand these steps in case they do apply. So let's look at these steps and be sure they apply to you. Step 2, multiple jobs or spouse works. Complete this step if you hold more than one job at a time, or if you're married filing jointly and your spouse also works. The correct amount of withholding depends on the income earned from all of these jobs. Be sure to follow the form's instructions and complete the worksheet to calculate the necessary additional withholdings. You can find the worksheet on the page 3 of this document. Here it is. Okay, step 3, claim dependent and other credits. Here you can claim dependents which are usually children, but can also include other relatives or individuals you financially support. Claiming dependents reduce the tax you owe. Accurately provide information here, and remember you can also include other credits you're eligible for. Step 4, other adjustments. These sections allows additional adjustments to your tax withholding. It's where you can claim deductions or credits not covered elsewhere. If you want to withhold a specific additional amount, this is where you specify it. Step 5, the final step. This is where you sign and date the form. Ensure all the sections are filled out correctly before signing. If submitting electronically, be sure to follow your employer's instructions. Now, don't forget it's required to update your W-4 form whenever there are changes in your tax situation, like having a child or getting married. Not updating could lead to incorrect tax withholding. So, as you can see, filling out form like W-4 can be quite complicated. Sometimes it can prone to errors, especially if you're unsure about what information goes and where. Manual entries can lead to typos or mistakes that might even result in your form being rejected by the IRS. So, filling out the IRS W-4 form correctly is an essential step in managing your federal income tax. By following these instructions and providing accurate information, you can smoothly navigate tax season. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this one. Thank you. Have a great day.